As you know, I have done a lot of walkthroughs on all the Boulder Highway casinos except this one. And the reason is I went in here in 2012, I think, and it was busier than it is on this trip. So it's not as bad today. But when I went in there, I think it was a Friday night. Holy shit. It was the smokiest place I've ever been in my life. I'm talking deadly. Deadly. There was only two other places that were as smoky as this. And it was Wild Wild West near Orleans on Tropicana. It's now torn down. And believe it or not, Palace Station, before they remodeled it. That's why I'm such a big fan of what Palace Station did to their casino, because their air is fresh. It's fantastic. It's one of my favorite casinos. And it was one of my least favorites at that time. But anyway, that's why I avoid this place like the plague. But I give you all the casinos. I don't just go to the popular ones for good likes and good views. I go to all of them. Some of them are crappy. Some of them are smoky. Some of them are small. This one is all three. So here we go. Longhorn Casino. They have $3 beers in here. And $2.99 graveyard specials. And they've got a William Hill sportsbook. We have a Chuck Wagon diner. That's where they have all the graveyard specials. It's actually a hotel. Yeah. Hard to believe, huh? Just goes to show you, a tiny little place like this still has these big ass machines in here. I can't stay in here but about 30 more seconds because the smoke's really bad. And there's the William Hill back there in the corner. Let's see if I can get closer to it before I die. Yeah, it's just a little kiosk back in the corner. But they got modern TVs up there, don't they? Alright, that's it. That's all I can. It's right across from Sam's Town. Across from where Eastside Cannery was. That vacant lot across the street is Eastside Cannery. And then that is the campground next to, before you get to Sam's Town. It's a campground for Sam's Town. RV campground. Yeah, on the corner is the Las Vegas KOA at Sam's Town RV park. And then there's Sam's Town.